Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're installing a beautiful semi-gloss white aluminum railing from start to finish. We'll walk you through every step of the installation process, so if you enjoy custom railings and quality craftsmanship, make sure to watch until the end. The first thing we do is take a look at the house before starting the installation. We inspect the railing on the side of the house. It's in poor condition and wobbles quite a bit, so we'll remove it completely before installing the new one. As you can see, the old railing posts are still embedded underneath the limestone. We need to grind those down so our new railing can sit on a perfectly level surface. After removing the old railing, we notice several small holes left behind from the previous installation. Before installing our new railing, we fill those holes with cement to give the area a clean, finished appearance and prepare it for the new installation.
No, I can send you pictures of.
Once the cement has cured and the area is cleaned, we're ready to begin installing the new railing. We carefully position it, making sure everything is perfectly level and straight. We start by securing the railing to the wooden post. We move on to the limestone. Using our special concrete drill bit, we drill the mounting holes and then install 1/4 times to -1/4 wedge anchors. We hammer the anchors into the base plates, creating a strong, secure, and long-lasting installation. We repeat the same process for every section of the railing until the entire system is securely fastened. For the finishing touch, we install our custom 2x2 shoe caps on every post. These give the railing a clean, professional appearance while covering the base plates beautifully. And here's the final result, a stunning semi-gloss white aluminum railing that's solid, safe, and built to last. Our customer now has a beautiful new railing that not only improves safety, but also adds curb appeal to the home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this step-by-step installation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support our family-owned welding business. We'll see you in the next project.